Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have an update on the CLS63. I did promise you guys that I was going to have you guys take along with me on the tuning process and the logging, but I have a friend helping me out, and there's really not much to it. You just hook up a computer, you do a pull in third gear, at least that's what Woyshnis wants me to do, and then we send it off. So nothing to it, kind of boring, and we don't really have much time once we do the logging, so it's quick. The car's having issues with shifting into gears now, so I can't use race start because the car just bogs down and will not shift into second, and it just starts shaking. So that's a little disappointing. I was told that I need a transmission tune, which originally I knew I needed one, but I was told by a special someone that I don't want to mention that I didn't need one. But then while I was going through the process of installing all the parts, they came out with their own transmission tune, so now all of a sudden they're pushing for it, which is fine. You know, I knew I needed it, but the thing is now I have something going on with my, let's see here, cylinder 5 knock retard. So it's not creating, or it's not putting out the correct timing, and it's bogging it down just because of that little knock that's happening in cylinder 5. So we're trying to figure that out. I took off the spark plug to make sure that, you know, maybe there's something going on there. Everything checks out, everything looks good, so I need to actually do another log with the car. Hopefully there will be some new news or some faster times that I can present to you guys, but yeah, at the moment that's all I've got. But I do have some good news for you guys. I have something exciting to share with you. It's not all bad news today. So we might have purchased another vehicle, an abandoned vehicle, abandoned by its owner, that's coming into the care of our hands, and we are very excited because it's a vehicle that I've had history with, or that certain type of vehicle, and yeah, and now I have one again. Check it out. Alright guys, here it is, our abandoned new car. Boom. Sure, a lot of you guys know this is a Volkswagen Touareg. She looks a lot better than she did when we picked her up. I went through a quick little car wash just because I could not see when I was driving home. So but there's still a lot of cleaning we got to do with it. It's filthy. I think it was a dog owner that owned the car before us, so they didn't really take care of it. Not at all. Take a look inside. I was looking at the Porsche Cayennes, the 957s, I believe, so like a 2008 to a 2010, but there was an issue with them. Their prices went up like crazy. As I was saying, the prices went up like crazy on them. I tried to get a few, but just was out of my price range. And honestly, I didn't want to spend that much anyways on a Porsche that I would have to put in a lot of work. So my second choice was a Touareg, and luckily I got it. So it's a V8 4.2 liter. One of my favorite parts about this car is I used to actually own a car like this, but mine did not come with air suspension. And the beauty about this one, it's got air suspension. And another hidden gem about it is it's got center locker, which is pretty common on these cars, but the rear locker, and that isn't very common. So I was just lucky. Once I bought the car without even knowing, so that was kind of cool. This car lifts up, gets pretty big, and I'm sure some of you guys can imagine how big of wheels I can put in here. So under the hood, the car is just like everywhere else. It's dirty. It's dirty. It came from Utah. I don't know if they lived on a gravel road or something, but it's just it's pretty bad. Yeah, no engine covers, so we'll see if we can restore this puppy, or I guess first we'll figure out if that's working good enough to where it'd be worth it. So as long as the engine's good, I think everything else looks fair, you know. For the price and for what we're gonna do with it, it's definitely gonna work. Alright guys, as you can see, it's in real rough shape. So previous owner really didn't take good care of it, but thankfully we're handy, and we're gonna do some work to it. We're gonna clean it up and hopefully make it into a project, something exciting, something new, different, not something that a lot of people have out there. So like I said, I have history with the Touareg because I've had one. It was one of my first cars I bought from the dealership. My mom was a co-signer. I was 17. It was exciting, and really it's a lot of car for the value. So that's what I'm excited about. Alright, so decided to take a little off-road trip with the Touareg with a couple of guys, and we just started. The trail basically starts right here where the pavement is, and we got about this far, and the Ram is stuck, so they're trying to pull them out right now. Let's go take a look. A lot of snow. Oh yeah, he's just spinning. Mark, how's it going?
Мне неплохо, но иду второй застрял.
Oh man. Alright, well, now everyone's stuck. Mark, what are we doing in the back of a truck?
Oh shit!
Ah!
Ah, блин! Ой, блин! Ай-яй-яй-яй!
Oh yeah. Success. Frontier turned around. He's gonna go rescue me, help me turn around. There's another guy somewhere behind us on a Jeep catching up, and he's got to turn around too. So we got a little bit of work ahead of us. Still here. Oh man. Frontier is now first. He's stuck, so we're waiting here where we are on level ground before we hit these ruts. And we got the Jeep right there. Not bad. We're gonna get home tonight. We are out, airing back up. We got the Jeep. There's a Raptor that was stuck at the beginning here. He's out. Mark, thanks for getting that Raptor out.
Anytime, any day. Hey,
Yep.
I think everybody should get a Raptor.
That's right.
Ass out.
Oh, I like it. There it is. We're getting ready to go home. Yep. My bumper's right in here. Yeah, I don't think we'll be putting that back on. My passenger. All right. So, the bumper fell off.
It ripped off.
Well, it was kind of dangling, and then we just ripped it off because it was gonna come off eventually. So that was interesting. I'll back it up a little bit. A friend of mine reached out to me last minute, said, "Hey, let's go to Lake Tahoe. Let's do a little off-road trip. You got this new car of yours. Let's try it out. Let's see what it's capable of." I changed the oil and vacuumed. That was about the only prep I had time for to take it off-road. So it's completely stock, and it was interesting. The trail we were gonna go on was closed. We found another trail that we somewhat kind of had access to over this big snowbank. We made it. We got stuck. We got unstuck. Then we got stuck again. And it proceeded to get deeper and deeper as we got into the trail further and further. So I'm not sure if it was a good idea, but it was fun. I'm glad we did it. But a question for you guys is, would you be interested if we did an off-road build with the Touareg? I know there's not a whole lot out there. I know a lot of guys are doing Cayennes right now, but the Touareg is a very capable machine, and I think it would be fun. But I want to hear your guys' thoughts, and then we can go from there. And no, I'm not getting rid of the Mercedes. The CLS63 is staying here forever. It's not going anywhere. We are still gonna do more videos with it. We're still gonna do everything we promised. We just need to get it dialed in. So that's coming. I'm just really excited about this other opportunity and wanted to share it with you guys and get your thoughts on that. But yeah, so I appreciate you guys watching, following along, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.